Hello, hello, hello. It is Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Kathy, and myself. And no, it's not Monday, but I wanted to pop on real quick to show you what was left over from my December kit. I probably should have tagged this at the end of layout number 3 because that's the last layout for the month of December. But I forgot to, but I am going to try to remember to do that each month. But for this time, I'm coming on Tuesday to show you what's left over from my kit. So from my ephemera pieces, I have 4 flowers, 2 succulents, 4 words or word phrases, and this 4 by 4.5 card. For my puffy, shiny enamel word phrases and icons, I don't think I used one word phrase that I can remember, but I'm going to recap and show you my layouts that I created in the month of December. But I do know that I used some of the icons. From the sticker sheet, I used about 40%. And I think it came out to about 14.5 because I only used a half of the scallop edge on my layouts. So I used about 40% of that. From my chipboard pieces, I used about 5 pieces. So I really didn't use very much from the chipboard pieces, but they are going to be saved. They're going back to my stash. From my 6x8 pattern papers, I think I had 16 when I started, and let's see how much I have left. Let's not count a full sheet. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and some scraps. So that's awesome for just 3 layouts. I really focused on using up the papers. Then from the 12 by 12 paper pad, I think I had 10 in here. I'm pretty sure it was 10 or 8. And I have 3 left. So we have this one, this one, and this one. These are still very usable colors and patterns, so it will go back into my scrappy stash, but I am going to tear it from the paper pad. All right, here are the layouts. So this is the first layout I created. It's posted on the second Monday of December. As you can see, I worked with this motif already printed on this paper. So we've got here in the upper left-hand corner and the right-hand corner. And what I did was build my clusters tight against this pre-printed motif already on this pattern paper. As you can see, I have matted my photograph behind 3 pattern papers, which all came from the 6x8 paper pad. And then we just have a combination of ephemera die cut pieces, stickers, and that's it. These are all stickers. Yep, stickers and ephemera that doesn't have stickers. And then I added some splatters and then some lines for journaling. So that was the first layout that I completed. The second layout I completed is right here. And again, my foundation layer is of 2 12 by 12 papers, which the top one is cut about 1/8 of an inch on one side and another, so it comes to about 1/4 of an inch. And it's matted on a full 12 by 12 paper. Again, all from the Wildflower and Honey collection. Behind my photograph, I used 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets of the 6x8 pattern paper. I have the die cut ephemera pieces right here, these large flower pieces. And then I have the flower stickers here, along with a honeycomb sticker here. I lost my train of thought of words. I'm sorry, I can't remember. For chipboard pieces, I have used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this layout. Nope, 6. So I used 6 chipboard pieces. See, in the beginning I said I only used about 4. Now for my title here, Be Unique, Yes Please. These all did come from this like enamel kind of puffy word phrase. So I did use a word phrase from here on this, and along with the stars right here and here. And then I added splatters, as you can tell right here. So that's layout number 2, posted the 3rd Monday of December. And then my final layout. So this one I am using French vanilla cardstock from Close to My Heart. Here I used, again, all of these large, wonky die cut pieces with word phrases. I cut this out from the 6x8 pattern paper, along with the frame right here. I used 1 chipboard piece here. I used 1, 2, 3 stickers from the sticker sheet. Oh, and I'm sorry, here's another chipboard piece. Oh, and I almost forgot too, from the vellum sheet of stars. That's where the stars came from this vellum sheet. And I won't lie, I used some of these stars on my Christmas layouts, which I will have a recap of all the Christmas layouts that I created, and hopefully that's going to post either Wednesday or Thursday, so be on the lookout for that. All right, that is my wrap up for the month of December. Thank you for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up. Most of all, get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. And always, I will be back on Monday and some other days. So if you want to be notified every time I'm posting, hit that notification button. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye.